Hello YouTubers, this is going to be a little short add-on to the CrunchIt video that I did previously. One of the comments we had on the previous video about the CrunchIt wanted a better view of the can being punctured. So I'm going to see if I can get that on video a little this time around. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.